Assalamualaikum viewers and welcome back to my channel Biodenverse Hub. Today in the playlist of Neuroanatomy we will be discussing about the functional localization of cerebral cortex, in which we will be discussing some important Brodmann's areas. So we have a diagram that is showing you the lateral view of the left cerebral hemisphere. In that we have shaded some areas and cortices that will correspond to a particular Brodmann's area number, and that will represent a particular area or cortex out there. So let us discuss that. First of all, we have the area that is shaded in the yellow color, and that corresponds to the Brodmann's number 1, 2 and 3, and that is your primary somatosensory area. After that, the one that is shaded in the light green color and the dark green color, numbered as a Brodmann's area number 5 and number 7, corresponds to the somatosensory association area. After that, we have the one shaded in the red color, and that is numbered as the Brodmann's area number 4, that corresponds to your primary motor area. Adjacent to that, we have the one shaded in the pink color corresponding to the Brodmann's area number 6, and that represents your premotor area. Adjacent to that, we have the one that is shaded in the brown color, and that is numbered as the Brodmann area number 8, and that corresponds to your frontal eye field. After that, we have the Brodmann area number 9 and number 10, that represents your prefrontal cortex. The one that is shaded in the orange color corresponding to the Brodmann's area 44 and the 45 represents your motor speech area of the Broca. After that, we have the primary auditory area that is shaded in the dark blue color, and that corresponds to the Brodmann's area 41 and 42. Adjacent to that, we have the light blue color shading that corresponds to the Brodmann's area number 22, and that represents your secondary auditory area, your auditory association area, or also known as the Wernicke's speech area. Moving on further, we have the one shaded in the light pink color that is numbered as the Brodmann's area number 40, and that represents your supramarginal gyrus. Adjacent to that, we have the angular gyrus numbered as the Brodmann's area 39 and shaded in the orange color. Now we will move on towards our visual areas. So the one shaded in the light blue color numbered as the Brodmann's area number 17 represents your primary visual area. Adjacent to that, we have two areas numbered 19 and 18 shaded in the yellow color represents the secondary visual area, or also known as the visual association area. So these were the important localization of the cerebral cortex, some important Brodmann's areas that become in your exam and that are frequently asked by the examiners in your OSCE and Viva examination. So I hope this video will be helpful for you all. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon so you will get notified about our future videos and updates. Thank you.